Hello there, welcome back to another video. So this is a 2014 Ford Focus. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do a oil life reset on it. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold down on the gas pedal all the way to the floor. Switch on your ignition, but don't start the vehicle. Switch all the way around right there like that. Then you're going to press the brake and hold it and wait for the dash to pop up. So you can see right there it's popping up right now. So you can see service oil reset in progress. So it normally take up to 20 seconds or more, sometimes, depends. As you can see now, service oil reset complete. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.